If you're a faceless creator here on YouTube, then this is good news for you. Now, you have been very used to using Grok to create your videos. Now, we all are aware that Grok has now made its platform premium, so a lot of people have actually stopped creating their videos because of this. Why? If you look at the video on your screen right now, I actually created it for free and I used Grok. A lot of people have actually reached out to me, but do not worry, I am going to show you step by step how you can access Grok, how you can still use the videos for free. Not just that, I'm also going to show you how to make your dialogues very long, because people have also been having issues with that, and I'm going to show you 2 ways to do that. Okay, so if you want it really long, you can actually get it really long. I'm also going to show you how to allow for continuity. There's something known as continuity. You know how that sometimes you create your videos, and let's assume your image was standing here before, it will now start to talk. When it wants to say the next thing, it will go back again and start from the initial position. It is not supposed to be. I'm going to show you how to get rid of that, everything in today's video, because what, I am your coach Glory Ceey, and if this is your first time here, you're welcome. On this channel, I help both small and new content creators to grow and get monetized fast, the right way. Whether you are into face or faceless content, this is the right one for you. If you want to grow the organic way, I'm only about organic growth. Okay, so if this sounds like something you want for your channel, you want to go ahead, hit the subscribe button. I'll always encourage you to do so because it is free of charge. And do not forget to give us a big thumbs up on this one so it can get to a lot more content creators like us. And with that being said, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is to go over to X, formerly known as Twitter. I'm going to paste a screen record so that you understand exactly how this works. You go over to X and sign up, like sign up with X, get an account on X. Do you understand? Now, once you have gotten an account, you want to use either the app or the site. I'm going to tell you the difference between the two of them. Now, once you go on them, you want to go to where you have premium. Do you understand? Just like you can see on your screen right now, when you go to where you have premium, just tap on that basic package. Okay, you're going to see 3,800 naira. This is equivalent to less than $3, so it is very affordable. You want to get that. Imagine, compare that to almost 50,000 naira or almost $30 per month. Do you understand? So you want to go there and subscribe to that particular one. Now, this is it. In case you try using your app and you're not able to subscribe successfully to it, you want to go over to the site and try it there. You're going to be able to subscribe to it. Do you understand? Now, once you are done subscribing to that particular one, whichever package you want to subscribe to, do you understand? They all have their different features, which I'm going to show you later on. Now, once you are already subscribed to it, you want to now go to Grok, and the first thing you want to do on Grok is to sign out of Grok first, because for you to have been using Grok initially, that means you already have an account with it. You already signed into Grok, so you want to go and sign out of that particular account, just like you can see on your screen. After you must have signed out of that particular account, the next thing you want to do is to now go to where you have sign in, and then when you tap on sign in, you're going to see login with X, you're going to see Google and other things. Leave Google and other things, just go to login with X. You now tap on X. You are now going to see your X account. It's going to display your X account details. You want to tap on that authorize app. Do you understand? If you're using an iPhone, you're going to see authorize app. Whichever phone you're using, you're just going to see the details there for your X account. You want to just tap on it, and once it's done signing you in, it's going to redirect you to Grok. Now, even if you still see something like upgrade, super Grok light, you can still see upgrade on your screen, do not be perturbed. All you just need to do is to start creating, and you will be able to create just like I'm going to show you now. I'm not going to bore you with how to generate scripts and all, but if you want that, let me know and I'm going to create a special video for that. But first of all, you want to go over to your chat GPT. I'm just going to go ahead and generate an image first. I'll just use the voice note feature right here to tell ChatGPT the type of image that I want, so it can generate it for me. Alright, so you can see now that ChatGPT is already generating the image for me. Once it's done generating the image, we are going to proceed. This is it. You can see that ChatGPT has already generated our image for us. I'm just going to go ahead to save it. I will long press. Okay, then you can see save to photos. I will just save it, so we already have it in our photos. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to now go over to Grok on my browser. So I'm just going to go over to Grok, straight over to Grok. This is one video that I actually created. I'm not going to be using this now. Once you have followed that particular step that I already explained to you, it is going to be easy for you to get access to this Grok feature, the pro feature. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on plus, but before I tap on plus, just come here to the three lines here and tap on imagine. You can see I already tapped on imagine. That is actually very important. So you now come here, you're going to see image, you're going to see video. Ensure you tap on video. Then I'm going to just go ahead. Now before this, ensure you also have your script somewhere. Have your script, okay, so that it will be easy for you to just copy and paste your script into this place instead of typing dialogue again. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and tap on plus, okay, and tap on upload images here. It will lead me to my photo library. I'll tap on photo library. So you can see the image I just generated. I'll just go ahead and tap on it and then tap on add. So you can see it right here. Okay, you can also type whatever it is that you want them to say. Do you understand? That's why I said just have your script somewhere. So you just copy your script and just paste it right here. Do you understand? So I can just, even if I don't type anything here, because this is a tutorial, it is still going to give me something. Grok is going to assume from the particular image I've sent and give me a voice, like give me something. Do you understand? But if I want, I'm still going to type what I want. So maybe I can say guy and lady, I'm not ready to abort. Okay, but remember it's going to first of all generate a 6-second video. Okay, but I'm going to show you how to extend that, how to go about it. So I'm going to go ahead and just send. You can see that it's already generating. You can see, like, it is that easy, guys. You can start generating your video today. You don't need to wait again. Okay, so you can see it's already generating. Let's just see what it's going to generate for us. So you can see 6-second video. You can now tap on play.
I'm not ready to abort.
I will not accept this child.
But it's our responsibility. I never wanted this. I'm not ready.
So you can see how good it is, like how good it is. Like Grok lovers, you already know, Grok lovers, you should be giving this video a thumbs up now. Okay, so you now go ahead. If this is just what you want, you just go ahead to save here, to download it here. If not, come here to where you have these 3 dots here. Just tap on the 3 dots. You are going to see extend video. You just tap on that extend video that you have there, then this particular timeline is going to appear. You can see extend video here. You now come here and then still copy and paste the next thing you want them to say. It was a mistake meeting you. Sorry, I mistakenly sent it. I wanted to type what the girl would say, but anyway, I mistakenly sent it. That's why it's better to just copy and paste your script so that you don't make mistakes. But let's see what Grok is going to do. Grok is still going to help me to put stuff there, maybe. Now if you want it to be longer than this, because this particular one that we subscribed to, we only allow you to extend it once. So that means 6 times 2 is 12 seconds. Do you understand? Based on your script. Okay, based on your
I'm not ready to abort.
I will not accept this child.
But it's our responsibility. I never wanted this.
It was a mistake meeting you.
What? You don't mean that.
I do. This isn't working.
So you can go ahead, you can come here to just download the video. Do you understand? Just come here to download. Just tap on download and that's it. Okay, so if you want another one, you just come here again to plus, because it's not going to extend more than that time for you because you are not subscribed to the very premium version. Okay, so you just come here to plus again and then bring in your next image. Now let us assume that you want it to be even longer than this. When you go over to X, all right, when you go over to X, the next thing you're going to do is remember those particular features that I showed you. X has different features, different premium features, so you have to go through them. There is the one that would allow you for more than to create videos, like that is up to like 5 times. So that means you'll be creating videos of like 30 seconds instead of just 6 seconds, and then you can still extend. So imagine extending once to get a minute video. It will be very easy for you to easily create your 10 minutes video, your 20 minutes video, your 30 minutes video. In no time you'll be done creating. But always bear in at the back of your mind the orientation. So let's play this one so that we can hear what exactly she's saying.
For free, just visit x.ai, sign up, and you'll get full access. It's that simple. Hey everyone.
All right, want to allow for continuity. You don't want your video to go back to the initial position to start again. What you would just do would be to go to the image, to the video you already downloaded. So let me first of all go and save the video that I already downloaded. It's right here in my file. This is it. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on it and then tap on this one to save it. I'll just tap on this place. and then I'll save video. Now that I've saved video, I'll go to my gallery. Okay, this is the video right here. I'm going to tap on it. All right, I will now take it, all right, to the end of the clip. I'll just scroll to the end of the clip and then pause. Sorry, I'll scroll to the end of the clip. Then where it is, I'm going to take a screenshot at the end of the clip. Don't make any mistake. Just once you've taken the screenshots, just tap on the screenshot, then crop out the excess part. Okay, just crop out the excess part, and then you go ahead to save it. Done. Save to photos. Now it is that particular one you are now going to use as your next image. Okay, so I'm going to go back to Grok. When I tap on plus, I'll tap on upload, and then tap on photo library. Okay, now that I've tapped on photo library, I'll now tap on that image. Okay, that image I already screenshot. I will now add, maybe I'll just say guy, and then you just go ahead to save. So I'm going to show you the difference now. I'm going to show you how it's going to apply continuity.
You forced me into this.
So it's actually going to continue from there. It's not going to start from the very first thing that they were doing. I wish I could show you from another image. If you try it, you're going to see if it's another image where they are walking. Okay, you're going to see what I'm trying to say. In fact, let me show you an example of what I'm saying. Let me just bring in a character. Do you understand? Let me bring in another image. So this is an image I just generated now of a man and a guy and a lady. Okay, because I want them to actually be walking. So I'm going to type, let's assume I just
so I'll make the guy say, you seem like an angel who just fell from the sky.
Let me just send this one because I want to show you what I mean. So I'm going to tap on go. All right, so let it just send. Now let's play.
You seem like an angel who fell from the sky. So pretty.
Oh, that's so sweet of you.
You can see that they were initially here, but then
You seem like an angel who fell from the sky. So pretty.
Oh, that's so sweet of you.
What you are going to do is to go ahead to this download icon. Just tap on it to download the video. This is it right here. I will just tap on it, and then I will just go to the end of the clip, to this place where they are. I will now take a screenshot. Do you understand? I will take a screenshot, and then I'm going to just crop out the excesses, crop out the excess parts, tap on done, save to photos. I will now go back to Grok. Okay, I'll go back to Grok. Now, in order for me to continue, in fact, if I want to extend, remember I can just easily tap on this. If I want to extend, remember I can just easily tap on these three dots. Do you understand? Tap on three dots, tap on extend, and then I'm going to extend the video. But in case I don't want to do that, in case you've already finished extending and you still need to generate more, you just go and tap on that particular image, take a screenshot of it. Once you've taken a screenshot of it, you go back to Grok, the beginning, come here to plus, jump here to where you have plus, tap on upload or drop images. Okay, tap on photo library. I'm going to tap on this particular image here and then add. Once you add it, you can see it's loading here. You now type what you want them to say. Anyhow, just type what you want them to say. So maybe the lady will now say, I finally met my Prince Charming. Then you now go ahead to send. You're going to see exactly what will be generated. Okay, so it's done generating, and you can see that the video started from exactly where they were instead of going back to the beginning again. Now let me play.
I finally met my Prince Charming.
Can you see? So that's it. Then you now go ahead to hit on download.
Note that you can use any voice you want. If it's Nigerian voice, put it there that you want to use Nigerian voice, and Grok will generate a Nigerian voice.
I'm not ready to abort.
I will not accept this child.
But it's our responsibility. I never wanted this.
It was a mistake meeting you.
What? You don't mean that.
I do. This isn't working. You forced me into this.
Like you told me you loved me. You said you would take care of me until our old age.
You seem like an angel who fell from the sky. So pretty.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. I finally met my Prince Charming. Hey everyone, want to try Grok for free? Just visit x.ai, sign up, and you'll get full access. It's that simple.
If you need a one-on-one coaching session with me, you want to reach out to me via the email address on your screen, and I'll see you either in class, on this video here, or my next video. Until then, bye for now. Mwah.